Many people ask me how to create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram stories and posts, flyers and brochures, CVs, business cards, etc. And the simple answer is Designhill Studio. You can see here, you can create stunning visuals made easy. It's fast, fun and effortless. So let's start. Click on try for free button and you need to log in either with Facebook, Twitter or Google. I'm just logging it with Google. And you can see here you have got a wide variety of categories to choose from, starting from Instagram stories, posters, flyers, YouTube thumbnails, Facebook covers. You can see here you can make a book cover, logo design, blog graphics. You can see here magazine cover, birthday card, CVs, coupons. So many things are there, so much variety is there for you to choose from. Now if you want to create your own dimensions, own designs, you can just click on the custom dimensions and you can give the width, height, and this one you can give that one in pixels, centimeters, inches or millimeters, and then you can click on create design. So either if you don't want to do that one, then you can just select from these particular categories. For example, I want to create a YouTube thumbnail. So you can see here YouTube thumbnail, just click on the YouTube thumbnail, it will open another window and you have got all templates. You can see here you got variety of templates. You can see here which you can choose from. If you want to create a blank one, you can just simply create a blank one, and then you have got a variety of photos as well. You can see here you can just choose from these categories. For example, I want to create a YouTube thumbnail for my say mobile review. Okay, for example, I'm just going to select, you can see here I'm selecting mobile from here. See, you've got a list of different mobile images, you can see here. Or if you don't find anything here, then you can simply click on upload and you can upload your own image as well. So in today's example, I'm going to show you how to create a thumbnail for latest release of Samsung S21 mobile. So I've downloaded few images from the net. So I'm going to use those images. So I'm just going to click the upload an image, and then I'm just going to select the image which I have copied. Okay, and then you can see here a particular image which I have selected. It's been copied here, and then I'm just going to click it. So it is appearing here. Now I'm just going to crop this. For that you just need to click on the crop, and I'm just going to crop it from the top and from the bottom a little bit, then put it here and then increase the size so it looks something like this. All right, so now I'm going to add the text here. So you have to just click on this text and you have got a variety of text to choose from. You got some ready-made templates. You can see here you can just use those template, or if you want you can add your own headlines or subheadings or some detailed text also. So let me just add a headline here. You can just see, simply click it here, and if you want to increase the size, something like this you can see here, and I'm just going to type. Okay, you can see here I can just remove this, and then I'm just going to type Samsung GALAXY S21, and I'm going to make it maybe one line. I can just increase the size, and then I can just make it a right align. You can see here, then I'm just going to select the text and I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to change the color to white. You can see here, maybe I can just reduce the size also 24, or I can make it maybe 18, and again I'm going to place it exactly onto the extreme right side, something like this. So I got the Samsung Galaxy S21, and I want to add more detailed text like everything you need to know about Samsung Galaxy. So either you can just simply use this one, this text, or you can use by default this also. So instead of adding the text directly, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some elements to it. So just go to the elements, and you can see here you've got a wide variety of different shapes. Maybe I'm just going to choose oval shape. Just click on the oval shape. Oval shape has been added. I can just put it here. And if you want to change the color of this one, just click on this one, and then you have got a different color combination to choose from. So whichever color you feel better, just increase the size, and you can see here, you can just put it here, and then you can add the text as per your requirement. Let me just move this down a little bit, and you have to make sure that you should not hide the main image here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some text. So go to the text, and then as I said, you can add your own headline, or you can add anything from this one also. So you have got a variety of options available, you can see here. So whichever you feel better, you can just add it as per your requirement. Maybe I can just choose something nice from this. Let me just select, I can go and say, maybe I'm just going to say this one, a Mother's Day Madness. You can see here, just click on that one, then the text has been added, and then this text I can just move it here, you can see here. And depending on my requirement, I can increase or decrease the size, and I'm just going to put it here, you can see here. And then I can just edit it, and whichever text which I want to replace with, I can replace, and if I want to delete some text, I can delete it also. So here you can see here there's something called ungroup. I can just select, simply ungroup this one, and then this one I don't need, I can just simply delete this, and then I can just increase the size or decrease depending on my requirement. And I'm just going to delete this also, and then I'm going to type here everything you need to know, spelling mistake. All right, and then I can just reduce the size. Maybe you can see here, whichever way you feel it's easy for me to do it, you can see here. And then if you want to add more text also, you can just simply add it here. For example, I want to say that this is the best camera ever, so I'm going to put something, you know, hiding, I want to highlight this option, and then I want to say that a best camera ever, so that I'm going to emphasize a particular point in my thumbnail. So let me just go to the elements. You can see here I can just choose maybe this one also, and I click this one, only that particular, and I'm just going to highlight the cameras only. You can see here I can just increase or decrease the size, so depending on my requirement I can choose. Or if you feel that this is not good, it should not be done, I can just simply delete also by pressing the delete button. So maybe I can just use only the hand. You can see here, again reduce the size, and then using this one I can reposition this, and I'm just going to put it here, you can see here. And again choose some color which is clearly visible, maybe some dark colors. I'm just going to put it like this, so that this particular thing is highlighted. And I'm going to add one more text where I'm going to say, you can see here, and I'm just saying the best camera ever. You can see here I can just reduce the size from like this, and then I can make it bold. I can choose the font size. All right, and then I can just choose the color also, whichever color which you feel, you can just simply add the color. So you can do a wide variety of things with this one. You can see here this color, it is not clearly visible, so I can just choose any other color also. So if it is not clearly visible, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add one more element. So let me just go to the elements, and I can just add one rectangle. You can see here I can just reduce the size, okay, and just I'm going to place it here. You can see here exactly like this, okay. And then you can just change the color, maybe the same color I'm going to use. You can see here like this, and then this text I can bring it front, and then I'm going to change the color to white, okay. And you have to just make sure that the position, if I just go and I have to just say forward, you can see here, or to front, that also you can click it, and then the text has come. And then if you want to do some more modifications also, you can do it. And then it's time to save it, so I can just give the title here, Samsung S21 review. You can see here, and click the save button and click it here. It will save the file. You can see it takes a while, and then depending on your internet speed, it's showing on the progress. And once it is done, it's time for you to download it. So you just click the download, and which file type you want to choose, you can see here. You can make it PNG, JPG, PDF, or whatever. So let me just do the PNG, and how much the clarity you want. So you can see here the size. So depending on your requirement, how much big you need, so you can just choose the size. And if you're using something which you want to make a transparency background, you can just make it transparency, but that is, we cannot do it here because this is not a transparent background. And if you want a lower quality which you want to use for the web also, you can use it, but I'm not going to do that. And once this is done, what you can do is just simply click the download button, and it start preparing your designs, and it will give you some code, and it will take a while, less than a minute, and then your thumbnail is ready. So the file is downloaded. You can see here, when I just click, the file is here. See everything you need to know. Samsung Galaxy S21, the best camera ever. And you can go to the home tab, and if you want, you can just change the file as many. You can see here, you can just go here, and your file is here, Samsung S21 review. That is the name we have given. And if you can just click it again, it will open. And again, if you want to do further modifications, you can do the modification as per your requirement.